Hi children, good morning to all. How are you all? You all are fine at home? Yes, I believe you all are fine at your home. Right? Okay. Today we are going to start a new topic. Welcome back to the new session of the social science class. Today we are going to take a new lesson from the block 3. Before that, we have to revise what we have learned in the last class. What we have learned in the last class? Do you remember it? Yes, what we have learned? We have started our block 3. What is the name of the block 3? Yes, block 3, fun with the family. Fun with family. I think this is an interesting chapter, right? Is it an interesting chapter? Yes, fun with the family. And we have discussed 2 lessons in this chapter. What are the which are the 2 lessons we have discussed in the last class? Yes, what are the 2 lessons? First lesson was about different ways to have fun with our family. In the first lesson, we have discussed different ways to have fun with our family. What are the ways to have fun with our family? Yes, we can read book, cooking, eating together, going picnic, playing different games. These are the fun things we can do with our family members. Then what is the second lesson? Fun in outdoor. Having fun in not outdoor. Having fun in indoor. We can do something with our family members indoors to spend our leisure time or to spend our free time. What are the indoors games we can play? Yes, we can play carom, we can play ludo, then we can read storybook together. Yes, what are the other indoors? Yes, we can watching movie. So, these are the some indoor activities we can do with our family members at our leisure time. Right? Okay, I hope you understood that, clear that 2 lessons from this block. Today we are going to discuss new lesson, our lesson 3, having fun in indoor. Having fun indoor. Not indoor, outdoor. It may confusion. Last class we have discussed the indoors. Today our next lesson, lesson 3, having fun outdoor. Our aim of this lesson is to identify a few things to do outside with family. Our lesson name is, third lesson is having fun outdoor. Our aim of this lesson is to identify a few things to do outside the home with our family members. Do you like to play with your family members? Do you like to play outdoor with your family members? Yes, what kind of play? Everyone got a time to spend our family members and we like to play outside. What kind of play do you like to do with your family members or friends? Yes, you can say. What kind of games you can play with your family members outside of the house? Yes, we can play different kind of games. Yes, we can say, you can say. Yes, football. Then, yes, cricket. Yes, kabaddi. Yes, football, cricket, kabaddi. These are the some kind of games we can play or we can spend our leisure time with our family members by playing this kind of football, cricket and kabaddi. Today we are going to discuss about having fun outdoor. How do you spend time with our family members outdoor? Today we will choose a game to play with our family members. Among these you can choose any one of the game to play with your family. Are you ready to choose? Yes, you can choose any one of the game. Okay. Anyway, everyone has their own favorite game. You can choose your favorite game. Okay? Okay, you can choose any one of the game among these. What are the rules of the game? These all plays or all games we can play in groups, right? Yes, we can play these all games in group. What are the rules of the play? Should we follow the rules of the play? Yes, these all plays need a group of people to play. So we have to follow some rules. Do you know what are the rules of the play? What are the rules of the play? Yes, we can give chance to others. We can give chance to all the members to play. And any other rules? Yes, we wait for our turn. We wait for our turn and we give chance to others. And we share things. These are some rules to follow when we are playing this kind of games. These all games need group of people. We are playing this game in group so that we have to follow some rules. Which are the rules? We wait for our turn and we have to give chance to others. Then share the things. If you choose football, we have to share football to others. Don't play alone. Then cricket, we have to share cricket ball and bat, all the things we needed to play. Right? Yes. So, we can play such kind of games with our family members in outdoors. Where do you play these games? We can play it outdoors. We can play outdoor. And we can play with our family members or friends. Play with family members or friends. Family members or friends. And do you have fun when we are playing this game? Yes, we are playing this. When we are playing this game, we have fun also. We having fun. Is it important to play this kind of games? Is it important to play? Yes. Why is it important? Why is it important to play this kind of games? It is an important exercise. It is important exercise. Important exercise. Then it is also good for our health. It is also good for our health. It is good for our health. It helps us to stay safe. It helps us to stay safe. So here we choose one play. What we can choose? We can choose any one. For example, football we can choose to play with our family members to do something outside, to have fun. Here we can play this football outdoor, and we can play this game with our family members or friends. Then when we are playing this game, we are having fun. Then it is important to us. Why is it important to us? Because it is an important exercise. It is an important exercise, and it is good for our health. It is good for our health, and it helps us to stay safe and strength. So all this kind of play is very important. So let me ask one question to you. Some people are living in cities. We can see different kind of houses, not houses, apartments or flats we can see in cities. It is not seen in the villages. We can see this kind of flats and big tall buildings in the cities. Why we can see this kind of houses in the cities? Because more and more people living in the cities. There is a lack of space, so they are built this kind of tall flats or apartments, big buildings or flats. Here my question is, how do they spend their leisure time, or how do they spend their free time outdoors, outside the house? Should they play game outside? Say your answers. Should they play this kind of games? No, it is very difficult to find place in cities because of lack of space. So, how will the children in the cities play this kind of outdoor games? It is necessary to have parks in this type of flats. Every flat or every big building has their own parks. They can spend their outdoor in this park. Understand? Okay, we have completed the third lesson, having fun outdoor. We can do some things, we can do some games, play some games with our family members outside the house. For example, football, cricket, kabaddi. You can choose any one, and we can play these all games in outdoor with our family members. Usually, we all are playing this kind of games in outdoor, right? Yes. Then having fun when we are playing this game, we have fun too. And it is also important exercise. It gives us energy and strength. In the case of cities, there is difficulty to find the space to play this kind of games, so that they have their own. There is no space to play this game. So every buildings, tall buildings or flat have their own parks. They can spend their time at their park. Okay? Then let's move to next topic. Okay? Are you understand? Okay. I am going to take next lesson. Lesson 4. Okay, our lesson 4 is having fun with family. Having fun with the family. Can you say, how do you spend time with your family members outside the house? In the last lesson, that means the third lesson, we have choose one game to spend time with our family. What was it? Yes, we have learned how we can spend time outside the house with our members by playing such kind of games like football, cricket and kabaddi. Today we will learn about how we will have fun in a picnic. How we will have fun in a picnic. Okay, let us read a story. Let us read a story and we can discuss what happened in this family. Okay? All of you take your content book. There is a story about a boy. We can read that story. All of you take this story. Okay. Let us read a story about a boy. All of you listen. My name is Jaran. I live with my parents, uncles, aunt, cousins and younger sister in Lucknow. We have a lot of fun both at home and when we go outside together. That we have discussed what are the fun things we can do at home and we can do outside. This Jaran also have a lot of fun things both at home and outside together. A few days ago, we all went for a picnic to the riverside. My mother packed tasty food for the picnic. My aunt got fruits, cake, sandwiches and my favorite biryani. We played games like cricket and badminton. We also went on a boat ride in the river. Everyone was very happy. Okay, this is what was the story about? A story was about a boy, his family. He went a picnic with his family. What's happening in it, in the family? Yes, the family members are going a picnic and all the members are enjoying well and they all are happy. How do they spend this picnic? How do they spend the time in their picnic? Yes, they played games like cricket and badminton, and they also went to a boat ride in the river. Everyone was very happy. Okay. So this story it tells us about having fun in a picnic. Right? Okay. Do you do the similar things in your family? Yes, we can also go to the picnic. What else can we do with our family in a picnic? What else can we do to spend time with our family in a picnic? Yes, we can. Anything do? Anything else you can do? Here in what's his name? That Jaren's family, they are playing badminton. They're playing football. So, we can also do something. How can we spend time in a picnic? Yes, you can say. Yes, we can sing or we can play Antakshari. You know what is Antakshari? We can sing song according to the alphabets of the song. Understand? Okay, we can play Antakshari, we can play any other board game and we can read story. This all we can do during a picnic. What else can we do when we are not going to picnic? Here we discussed that having fun in a picnic. In Jaren's family, they playing football and they are spend some time. They are going to boating. They spend sometimes with their family members in different ways. What else can we do when we are not going to picnic? What else can we do? We are not going picnic. Yes, we can go outside and can do something. Yes, you can going outside. We can go outside to have fun. We can go outside to have fun. We can go outside with our family members to have fun. How? We can go to zoo. You all are interested to visit zoo. Have you ever visited a zoo? Yes, what we can see in the zoo? Yes, we can see different kind of animals. Is it very interesting? Yes, we can go to zoo. Then go to fair. What is fair? Do you know what is fair? Fair means a big hall. Different things are selling there. Different things are selling there in a big hall or big tent. That is known as fair. We can go to fair and we can buy different things from these sellers. Okay, then we can go to circus. Go to circus. We can go to circus. In a circus, we can see different artists and animals. Is it? Yes. Then, how can we spend? Yes, we can go for shopping. Go for shopping. Every one of you are spending most of time with your family members for shopping, right? Yes, when we get this kind of leisure time, we are going for shopping. Then we can also going for boating. Going for boating. These are some other ways to have fun outdoor. Except the outdoor games or picnic, we can do this kind of things to have fun. Understand? So, in the fourth lesson, we have studied having fun with the family, and we have learned how we have fun in a picnic, how we will have fun in a picnic, and we have read a story and we can understand that how we can spend, how we can enjoy in a picnic, right? Okay, what else can we do when we are not going to picnic? We can do these all things, like we can go for shopping, we can go to zoo, and we can go to fair and go to circus and going for boating. These are the some ways to have fun with our family members outside of the house. Okay, with this lesson we have completed our third block. What is the name of the third block? I am going to conclude this third block. All of you listen. Are you ready? Yes. Our block 3, name of the block is fun with the family. We have learned first lesson, fun with family. We can do some ways to have fun. That means reading, listening radio, watching and going picnic. These are the some ways to have fun with our family. Is it important to spend fun time with family? Yes, that we have studied in the first lesson. Yes, it is very important to have fun with family because it helps us to relax, and it helps us to brings to closer each other, the family members closer each other when we spend a time with the family members. And easy to share, it is also help us, it is also feel to easy to share what we make us happy and what make us sad. So, leisure time or fun is very important in our life. Then second lesson, what was the second lesson? Second lesson, having fun indoors. To have fun indoors, we can do something inside the house. Which are the indoor games we can play? Yes, carom, chess and reading book, then listening radio, watching TV, reading storybook. These are the some ways to have fun indoors. Is it help us? Yes, it helps us in rainy. When it is rainy, it helps us to have fun. Okay, then next is lesson 3, having fun in outdoor. We can play different games outdoor to have fun. For example, football, cricket, badminton, kabaddi. These are some games we can play with our family members to have fun. Then fourth lesson, having fun with outdoor games help us to relax and it also help us to strong. Right? It is good for our health. It is good for our health. Then the last lesson is having fun with the family. That means having fun in a picnic. We all are enjoying picnic. Different things we can do in a picnic. While picnic, we can play Antakshari, we can play some board games, we can read story. We can do something else like go for shopping, go to zoo and go to fair and go to circus, going for boating. Okay, I hope you all understood this. Block 3, you have to do S2, S3 and S4. I hope you already done your S1 and S2. So, everyone should read your content book every day and do S1, S2, S4 complete. I hope, I believe you all are completed your workbook too. Okay? Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.